Risk disclaimer.
Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and in this video I'm going to be answering one of the questions that we've been receiving. That okay, the Apostle, can I close my trade manually? So for instance, you are using the Prop Tradr EA and then you notice that okay, this trade might be going against you. Okay, can you close it, manually? Or maybe it's making profit and you just discover that, you know what, maybe I want to step out of my computer, or I'm not going to be available, or you just feel that, remember, you can think but robot cannot think. So you just feel that okay, you know what, I'm going to just let this go. So let's say, for instance, let's use this as an example now. So like this right now, okay, it picks this trade, says stop. Now if you use your stop loss that you can control, you can let the account just run. But then if you look at it that okay, you know what, this trade is I think it's going to go opposite direction, then you can just decide to close the trade manually. So like this one now, if you look at it, the trend is down actually. Okay, the trend is down. This is where the stop loss is, okay, with this account. So I can decide to move the stop loss down, or okay, right now I have the profit, it's just a little profit, right? Depends on your account size. Remember, depends on your account size, depends on the lot size you are trading. So I can just decide, okay, you know what, I'm just going to close this trade and let it go, or move your stop loss to be closer. You can move your stop loss closer so that in case it goes against you, you just have a minimal loss. And remember also, you have settings. You can set the trade, like you can set it to have up to 3. Like for instance, if you go to settings, you can have under the maximum orders per day, you can have it to be 3 instead of 1. I just like using 1 so that I will know, okay, once I lost the trade, I lose this trade today, okay, I know it's a losing day. And if I won, I know, okay, it's a winning day. So you can also do that. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. And in case you are watching this video and we have not launched the software, you can join the early bird by just go to www.proptradrea.com. okay, God bless you. So if I'm going to close this one, I'm not going to do that, but let's assume I'm going to close this now. I will just close this trade from here, okay, and then boom. So either positive or negative, but sometimes just let the trade, let the trade do its things, because you have set your stop loss. And because what normally happens is that this market, just like what we've seen in the past, can come like this, then before you know it again, come back and start going down. And I'm shooting this video actually on a day that we are expecting the news this afternoon, FOMC. So right now the market is just ranging. Actually the market is ranging, so it's not really like a good time to trade indices. And how can you use this to also trade FOMC? Yes, all you have to do is change the settings. You just change the settings. FOMC, according to my own time, is going to be that is 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. will be 21. Okay, so you just change. So like here, if you want to use this to trade FOMC, and I'm going to be creating a video to actually show that. So you just change this one instead of this. Change this. You can change this one to 2100. That is 1 p.m. actually. Then you change this one to 2130 server time, and then you can just change this to 2300. So this would be to trade FOMC, because the news come by 1 p.m. Central time. That will be 2 p.m. Eastern time. Depends on your own location. You can just do the conversion. Okay, I hope that answered your question. Just a quick follow-up on the previous video about the question that many of you ask whether you can close the trade manually. So like the previous video I created was, okay, this trade was here and it started coming back, and I said, okay, you can just choose to close the trade manually if you feel that it's going to go against you. And if you remember very well, because my stop loss is right here, I said I was not going to close it. I'm just going to allow it to run, because even when you look at the trend, you could see that the trend is down actually. So I was expecting the markets to go down. So, and see what happened. It went back, and see, we are right here. See, it's still going down. Now, because today is a busy day, let me show you the calendar. So because today is a busy day, as you can see, I'm creating this video on Wednesday the 1st. So take a look. Right now, with this was the one we finished this morning, the non-farm employment change. And right now we are also done with the ISM manufacturing, PMI, and job openings. The big one that we're expecting is the FOMC and the rate also. So as you can see, it's going to be a very busy day. So now when we talk about the news, it can go up, it can go down. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to close the trade. Many people choose not to trade the news, but I'm going to create another video later on to show you how you can use the Prop Tradr EA to trade any news. All you just have to do is to change the settings. Okay, so we are back right now. So as you can see, I'm trading 0.1 lot size, and this is where we are. This is where we are. So right now I'm just going to close the trade, because if you look at it very well, let me just to kind of show you guys a little bit about, because I know some of you possibly are trading, but you don't really know how to trade, or you don't, or maybe you want to use this, or you are using this, but you don't know how you trade manually. So when you look at it, see how the market is ranging right here. The market has been ranging, okay, from this to this zone right there. So during the news, okay, this is on 4 hours. When you look at it, the trend is actually up, but then it's consolidating right now. So during the news, I will not be surprised if the market breaks back up, okay, and we go up there. Or right there, this space is showing more of you see, we have a lot of touches right there. So you can come back, touch this place, and start, of course, coming back down. Okay, so we might also have this also. So that is why you don't know what the market might do, and you just don't want to be caught unaware. Either you are managing a funded account, or you are trading your personal account, or you are going through a challenge. So you don't want that. So all we have to do now is I'm going to manually close this trade right now. So I guess that's kind of answer your question, whether you can manually close a trade, yes or no. So yes, you can manually close the trade, and wow, that is it. Okay, then I hope this makes sense to you. And in case you are watching this video and we have not launched the Prop Tradr EA and you want to join the early birds. So all you have to do is go to www.proptradrea.com, or our URL could just be, the website address could be displayed right on this screen. Peace.